you have oily skin and you live anywhere in high heat and humidity, then buying sunscreen feels like you're stepping into a minefield. You either end up looking a shiny, messy, oily mess within 30 minutes of stepping out, or your sunscreen melts off after you stepping out with sweat and clogs every pores of yours. La Roche-Posay's UV immune sunscreens, like these are the sunscreens. They are considered globally as high protection, gold standard of UV protection. But when you wanna buy this from Nykaa, you see these three variants. So first one is their original, then their oil control, and the third one is their anti-dark spot, anti-dark spot fluid variant. Then you'll be like, are they really different? Is the oil control fluid one really controls oil, or is the anti-dark spot fluid one really fades hyperpigmentation? Well, I'm here to talk about everything in detail here. So I'm not gonna just talk about the ingredient list, but I'm also gonna talk about how it is in real life, who should try this, and everything in details. To understand why these sunscreens are so viral and they are the OG kind of sunscreens, because ideally they share a core protective foundation, core protective shield, but the secondary ingredient is different for all of the sunscreens. If I talk about the UV filters first, why it's so famous? Because of Nixoryl 400 UV filter. I mean, this is LRP's patented crowning achievement, you can say. Standard sunscreen filter usually blocks UVB rays and short UVA rays. However, there is one UVA rays gap that most of the sunscreen filters fail to protect. That is between 380 nanometer to 400 nanometer. That is like ultra long UVA rays, and that makes 30% of the UVA rays that is everywhere. They penetrate deep into the skin, they generate free radicals, breaking down collagen, creating dark spots, melasma, and Mixoryl 400 specially targets that 380 nanometer to 400 nanometer of wavelength. This factor gives this kind of sunscreens, oh my god, I cut myself, so now my hand's burning. This gives this formula's unmatched protection against the long-term photo-aging. Other supporting UV filter networks are Tinosorb S that covers both UVA and UVB rays, Evobenzone and Mixoryl XL for that mid-range UVB protection. Third is their NetLock technology. If you have oily skin and you live in hot and humid weather, and you apply sunscreen, then what your sweat and the humidity does, that it melts down, it breaks down the sunscreen layer onto your skin, making your skin like grease ball. Well, I sweat a lot, and this entire thing makes my skin greasy, and then I kind of sweat out my sunscreen entirely, and then there is no sun protection. NetLock technology is different. It kind of creates a shield on top of your skin. It kind of creates an encapsulated channel, or you can say the microgel droplets onto your skin, kind of a layer that does three things basically. First, it prevents the UV filtered layer to migrate to your eyes, so that you don't get itchy eye effect. It makes the formula entirely water and sweat resistant, because I've used the sunscreens, I've tried it near beach, and you know beach sun is real, and Andaman is so sunny and closer to equator, but my skin is glowing thanks to this NetLock technology. Third, and that is the most beautiful thing, that it gives the texture really ultra lightweight without any kind of heavy waxes, so that it's not gonna clog your pores. It's staying beautifully on top of your skin, and it is giving you protection despite sweating or splashing water onto your skin. I mean, this is a real thing right here. This is a real thing. This is a real outdoor sunscreen. Now, I'm going to talk about all of the sunscreens one by one. So first, I'm going to talk about the original version. I've also made a dedicated review on this, so you can go ahead and watch it. So I'll just share you guys a brief of this. So this is how this looks. This is a classic shake well fluid. It is extremely watery. It's literally like milk. The moment you apply it, it spreads beautifully onto your skin. And as the name suggests, it's La Roche-Posay Anthelios UV Immune 400 SPF 50+, and you can see the rest. You don't need to rub very hard with it. You just need to let it set onto your skin, and it just gets absorbed by your skin within 30 to 40 seconds. And this is, by the way, I've applied on this side of my skin in the beginning of the video, just to give you an idea. And one more thing, that this sunscreen takes time to settle down onto your skin. Make sure to give it some time after application, so that it settles down onto your skin beautifully. When first applied, it keeps you very oily, very oily, very oily, as if you've applied oil on your skin. But you're just gonna let the alcohol denat and everything settle onto your skin. Once the alcohol evaporates, it's gonna settle down on your skin and it's gonna give you that this kind of shine that is not actually oily, but it's somehow dewy. But if you go out and if you have extremely oily skin, then this might look very oily onto your skin. And this is how it's looking after me after 15 minutes of application. I mean, you gotta let this set onto your skin with this beautiful shine and beautiful glow. Well, here is the real thing for oily skin and for outer application. I mean, this is something that is beautiful if you are indoors. Okay, so let me tell you. I'm gonna show you the packaging as well. This is the packaging. So now here is the honest truth for oily skin in hot weather. Because this formula uses lightweight emollients without dedicated oil absorbing powders, it will catch the light and you're gonna look like a sheet of oil if you don't apply any powders. I mean, being oily skin girly, if you just apply this and go out in extreme hot, humid weather, in extreme sunlight, you're gonna look oily for sure. I mean, initially it gives you this healthy glow, but over time it's gonna look oily, so you better apply some powders. If I tell you about the pros, it settles down beautifully, it gives you excellent protection, it does not peel, doesn't sting the eyes, it's beautiful, but I'm gonna tell you the cons. Alcohol denat is high on the lids, but it's nothing to worry about. It's for its formulation, and you gotta shake it very well. That is the one. Like if you forget to shake it, then please. I mean, this is the con that you gotta shake it, and it has a metal ball inside, and it offers no sebum control or oil control effect. So if you have oily skin, and this is not gonna work for you. That if you have only normal skin to dry skin to combination skin, or if you are from very cold weather, like from hill stations, or if you are going to the hill stations, or if you want to buy a sunscreen for winters, then this is the one. But if you have oily skin, this is not for you. If you are from very hot and humid weather or near equator, then it's not for you. If you are from coastal regions, coastal areas, then again it's not for you. And this works great in winters and for air conditions environment. Certainly it's not for hot and humid outdoor activity kind of weather. If you are a working woman, despite being oily skin, you can easily use it. You can easily enjoy this in air conditioned weather. In fact, it's going to be a beautiful product for air conditioned weather. You don't need to go for extra layer of moisturizer, because this is so perfect on its own for air conditioned weather, but not for outside humidity for oily skin. Yeah. Next is for oily skin coats is this. So it's La Roche-Posay Anthelios UV Immune 400. The oily skin UV Immune 400 oil control variant. Yeah, gibberish. While it retains the same formula, same UV filters, like the primary active ingredients are the same as before, like this past one, but they have made two formulation changes. The first change is air lithium, or it's kind of a gel, you can say, some kind of silica for easier knowledge. It's some kind of silica. It's an ultra lightweight mattifying particle that can absorb 100 times more than its size, sebum and moisture. So it's gonna just like soak up all the excess oil onto your skin, and basically it's for someone who has very oily skin on their T-zone areas or their nose and chin areas. Also has zinc PCA. Well, we all know what zinc PCA does. Helps to reduce oil production, and it also calms the breakouts. Unlike the original, which flows like water, this one flows slightly like a thicker gel. Like you can sense the difference between these two when you apply it onto your skin. I mean, by seeing the look of it, they might look like identical, but when you rub it in, you definitely feel this is more slightly thicker in texture than the original one, and it dries down to a soft matte finish. So I haven't settled anything, like I haven't settled both of the sunscreens on, like any of the sunscreens on my face yet. So if I look at this side and this side, this has more like a soft velvety, very soft dewy finish, whereas this one has more like a natural dewy finish. I mean, in high heat and humidity, air lithium really makes a great difference. I mean, instead of your natural oils just breaking down the sunscreen entirely, what it does that it traps the oil perfectly. I mean, your skin still looks like real skin, no dead matte, nothing. I mean, your shine remains under control for hours because of this air lithium kind of thing. Pros are, it has excellent shine control, it's water and sweat resistant, it doesn't trigger acne, also comes with that excellent Mexoryl 400 protection. And the cons are, if you have dry skin or dry patches somewhere, it might exaggerate that dry patch. And it's absolutely not for active acne, or if you have open wound, it's absolutely not for those areas. So actually, this is an undisputed champion. It's for oily skin, it's for hot and humid weather. It's gonna control your oil. It even works for very oily and acne prone skin girlies for outdoor application. I mean, this is for the real world. This is for the outside world. One more thing, after applying the sunscreens, if you sweat, you don't actually sweat, but the sweat stays on your skin like water droplets, like water on lotus leaf, that kind of effect. So it's very satisfying to even like wipe off the sweat. So I don't like wipe it off. I pat my sweat off with either a tissue or my hanky, and it's so satisfying because my sunscreen stays there because of the net block technology, and only I'm wiping out the sweat. Finally, the last one, and it's kind of my favorite one for now. So this is their last variant, the anti-dark spot fluid variant. Now let's examine this. So I have applied this one on my forehead. I mean, you can see the difference between my cheeks and on my forehead. Well, one more thing, that my forehead doesn't have the oil gland, the active oil glands that my chin has. So you have to look this part of my skin. So here, oily. This side, less oily and feels like a real skin. And on my forehead, it's hard to explain. But on my forehead, it's still oily, but not that oily. I mean, it almost feels like velvety on my forehead. So this one settles down almost to a velvety finish. The active ingredient, the secondary active ingredient in this is milacil and niacinamide. Oh, let me check again. If you struggle with post-acne marks like PIH, sunspot, melasma, then pay close attention. Most brightening sunscreens rely either on niacinamide or on vitamin C. However, this one has milacil. So how milacil works, I'll attach some images. Milacil works via a completely new pathway. Like, instead of just inhibiting the tyrosinase enzyme, milacil binds directly to melanin intermediates. I mean, trapping them before they can form visible dark spots in the sun. I mean, trapping them even before they form any kind of visible dark spot onto your skin. Combined with 5% niacinamide and the Mexoryl 400 UV filter, this is a gem. This is a gem. This sunscreen isn't just shielding your skin from new sun damage, but it actively works to fade away your existing pigmentation and your existing dark spots. But it's gonna take time. If you apply it once or twice and expect your past dark spots to fade away completely, have some respect to a product. Every product takes time to give you some results. So if you apply this only and hope that it's gonna fade your dark spots within a week, it's gonna take at least 6 to 8 weeks of consistent outdoor uses. And if I tell you the texture feels like this two had a baby. This is how I could tell you the texture. So if these two have a baby, this is how the texture would be for this one. This one has a more cloudy, creamy, velvety kind of texture. It glides smoothly and leaves behind a very radiant finish, just as their packaging. See, yeah, just as their packaging. Well, if I talk about how it is for oily skin, for hot and humid weather, and why I'm saying that it's my absolute perfect, that despite I have oily skin, despite I sweat a lot, despite right now I'm closer to equator, because it doesn't have air lithium, I know, that will control my oil, that will absorb my oil, but it has 5% niacinamide. That is an excellent product to control your excess oil production, that gives you almost matte finish. But you can't expect this to be literally matte, because all of the sunscreens are designed in a way that it's for Europe countries, right? And it's not for India ideally. It's not for very hot and humid weather. So when I'm talking about that, it gives you, it's better for oily skin, it gives you almost matte finish, then don't expect it to be matte. Not that entirely matte. It's matte in European standard, in European standard way. And for people there, for weather there, it's matte for the weather and the people in there, but not the people, the girls for India. Okay, so because India is hot and humid, and because we shouldn't expect a product to behave in our way, because this is made in England, this is made in Europe, made in France, And if it gives you any claims, then the claims are based on people in France and the weather and the sun and everything in France. So if I'm talking about a product that, let's say, the on the packaging it says that it's matte, but it's matte. I think it's matte for France, but it's not matte for people in India. So if you apply this, it's not gonna be matte. It's gonna give you this shine, slightly, very slightly sticky layer, very slightly. Not, I would say very sticky that it's sticking to my skin. No, no. I mean a very slightly sticky layer that doesn't actually bother me because I can't help it. It's the weather. It's the weather around me. I can't help it, and I'm from very hot and humid weather right now. So I think I won't be getting this kind of effect if I apply this in winter season or in hill stations or in Himalaya or in why Himalaya or like in Darjeeling and Manali, because there the or in Kashmir, because there the temperature is not as high as this here. So yeah. So for peak summer, and this is what I'm gonna say about all of the sunscreens, that I know that it's oil control, but still use powders. Use powders, use translucent powders to set the sunscreens if you go outside. Otherwise, your skin may look too much, because my skin looks too much and I have to apply some kind of powders to kind of set it, because I told you it's made in France and it's not France, it's India. So you gotta do what you gotta do. Apply a damn powder while going out so that your skin stays protected. There's no as such extra shine and you glow kind of from within too. Yeah. So the pros are it actively treats hyperpigmentation, dark spots, acne. It's great for acne prone skin. Also strengthens the skin barrier with 5% niacinamide, brightens your skin, doesn't let your skin get clogged and what not. I mean, yeah, niacinamide has so many benefits. The cons are if you apply this and hope that it's gonna fade your dark spots, well, sweetie, it's gonna take 6 to 8 weeks of time. So it's not a miraculous product. It's a medicine. It's protecting your skin against the harmful UV rays. It's not gonna get you tan, or it's not gonna burn your skin or reduce your collagen or just like break down your collagen, and it's kind of a protection. So please try this sunscreens for outdoor activities. You don't need to apply this indoors. Hell no. I mean, only for outdoors application. So you can buy two separate kind of sunscreens, and that's what I do right now. I apply the sunscreens outside, and by the way, I'm saving this for winters because it's a bit too much for summers, and now that I'm closer to equator, it's a bit too much for summers. So I'll also stick a chart over here that who is it for, who is it ideal for, the best skin type, the best technology and everything. Yeah, you can pause the video and look and have a look. Yeah, quickly. So now the final thing is which one you should buy according to your skin type. Okay, so if your number one issue is extra shine and oil in hot weather, then get this one. It has Air Lycium technology that keeps grease in check better than any sunscreen. But yeah, apply powder over it. Apply some powders over it to make it kind of matte if you have oily skin. Then if your number one issue is acne and dark spots and scars or uneven skin tone, then pick this one because the combination of Melasyl, niacinamide and Mensural 400, it is a double duty sunscreen. It giving you protection and it's also a kind of working on your skin issues. This is a beautiful item. If you have normal to dry skin and if you are from colder regions, or if you work in a very air conditioned way all day long, like let's say 18 degrees Celsius, yeah, then pick this original one. Then this one is for you. So I hope I cleared out most of your confusion. So yeah, I mean, now everything is getting so awkward. So this is it. If you're new here, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'm Banya Vishwas. And if you have any more queries, do let me know in the comment section. And please tell me if I've tried any of the sunscreens yet, or which one you should try. I think I've cleared out most of your confusion. But yeah, please buy this for your outdoor, like as your outdoor sunscreens, because these are so good. You're not gonna get tanned. Your skin is gonna be as fresh as like you just wake up in the morning. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Yeah, that's it. Drink a lot of water. Apply your sunscreen because sunscreen is very important. And yeah, I'll see you guys next video. Till then, take care and bye.